In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to contacts in HubSpot. Whether you're just getting started with HubSpot or looking to optimize your contact management, adding tags can greatly enhance how you categorize and interact with your contacts. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. If you don't have an account yet, now is the perfect time to sign up. Once you're in, direct your attention to the menu where you'll find CRM. Under this tab, you'll see Contacts. Go ahead and click on that to get to the area where you'll manage your contact properties. Next, locate the Actions drop-down menu. This menu holds a variety of options, so take a second to familiarize yourself with what's available. For now, you'll want to choose View All Properties. This will lead you to a page that showcases all current contact properties, which is foundational for adding your new tags. Once you're in the View All Properties section, look for an option called Manage Properties. This is the gateway to customizing what information you want to track for each contact. Click on it, and you'll be stepping closer to personalizing your contact records. With the Manage Properties screen open, your next move is to click on Create Properties. It's like opening a blank slate that's ready to absorb whatever distinct categories you envision for your contacts. Now, an important decision comes next. You'll need to select Contact as the object type. This choice determines that your new property is associated directly with your contact records. Once confirmed, think about the group where this property will logically belong. For most cases, contact information fits best, but feel free to choose another group if it suits your organizational structure better. Let's talk about labels. The property label is crucial because it should provide clarity about its purpose. Tags is a straightforward option, but you might also want to consider something like interest areas if that better conveys the information you're organizing. Approach this with the mindset of making it intuitive for anyone else who might be viewing these records. Also, when picking a field type, opt for multiple checkboxes. This allows you the flexibility to add more than one tag, which is particularly useful for contacts with multiple affiliations or interests. After setting this up, click Create, and there you have it. A new custom property that enhances your contact categorization. Remember, by tagging contacts, you're not just organizing information. You're equipping yourself with a powerful tool to deliver more tailored and effective communication. Now, with these steps completed, you'll be well on your way to a more efficient CRM experience. Thanks for watching, and happy tagging!